Hello friends, welcome to Senior to Junior Academy. Friends, in this video I am going to discuss about the one of the prestigious examination, that is the National Defense Academy examination. Friends, this video is made by me. My name is Abhishek Kumar Singh. I got recommended from 14 SSP Allahabad for Short Service Commission Technical Entry. Friends, National Defense Examination is basically a national level examination. It is organized by UPSC, that is Union Public Service Commission, to recruit candidates in Army, Navy and Air Force. Friends, it is conducted twice a year, but this year in 2020, due to coronavirus, NDA 1 and NDA 2 will be conducted as a single examination in September 6th, and those who have applied for NDA 1 and those who are applying for NDA 2, their examination will be a common examination. So by this examination, qualified candidates are sent for a training at NDA Khadakwasla, and once they are graduated from the NDA, they are sent to the respective specialized academy of the three forces, namely the Indian Military Academy, the Indian Naval Academy and the Indian Air Force Academy. So that means when you are selected for NDA, you will be having a 3-year course at NDA Khadakwasla, and after that a 1-year specialization in the various wings of the armed forces you choose. So friends, basically how NDA is conducted and what is the way to become officer in Indian Armed Forces. First, you have to appear in a written test. After that, you have to appear in a SSB when you qualify the written test. After you are recommended in SSB, you will be taken for a medical test, and after that a merit will be prepared, and accordingly you have to report to the academy. So friends, first and important thing that you should know is about the eligibility condition. Friend, this notification I have taken from NDA 2 2020, where it is written that only unmarried male candidates born not earlier than 2nd January 2002 and 1st January 2005. The range is given. You have to see yourself whether your date of birth fits in this range or not, and accordingly you have to apply. The important thing that I want to clear in this notification is that I have got a lot of candidate asking whether they are arts student and whether they are eligible to apply or not. Friends, you are definitely eligible to apply if you are arts or commerce student, but the thing is that you are eligible only for the army wing, because in Air Force and Navy wing you have to have a subjects like physics, chemistry and mathematics, so it's a science subject, so you are not eligible for the Air Force and Navy wing. So if you are an art student or a commerce student, you are definitely eligible for army, but not for Air Force and Navy. This is the common confusion of arts and commerce student. So I hope you are clear on the educational qualification criteria eligibility. So next is, once again I would like to tell that the science student can apply for all the three wings, but arts and commerce are eligible only for the army wing. Now this is the vacancy of 2020 NDA 2, where the approximate vacancy is 413. The breakup is shown, which includes 370 for NDA and 43 for the NA 10+2 cadet entry scheme. This vacancy may change depending upon the condition given in the notification. Now I would like to draw your attention to the examination pattern, which is very important, and a candidate must know the marks, the subjects and the timing of the duration of the examination. So basically the first paper is mathematics, and you have to give the paper in 2.5 hours with the maximum marks of 300. The second test is the general ability test, which is again for 2.5 hours, and the maximum marks is 600. So basically total marks is 900 for the written, and if you qualify for the written you will be called for SSB, which is again for 900 marks. So total 1800 is the total marks for your SSB as well as written. So this is the cutoff that you should keep in mind. I have taken this cutoff for the NDA examination 1 2019. As you can see that the minimum qualifying standard at the written stage out of 900, you know that it's 342 in NDA 1 2019. 342 means out of 900, that is 300 for mathematics and 600 for general ability, a candidate has secured minimum 342. The last candidate, that is the, I can say, the cutoff actually, 342 was the cutoff, and the condition is that at least 25% marks in each subject. And out of 1800, it is written that marks secured by the last recommended candidate out of 1800 was 704. So friends, as you can see in the written test, that is out of 900, you have to score at least, I can say, 50%. That is not 50% also, let's say 40% marks in order to qualify for the written examination. When I talk about 50%, that is 450 marks. So as you can see that cutoff is 342, but for the safety, let's take 400 is the cutoff that you should think in the mind, and you should plan accordingly. I am there to help you friends. I will make a subsequent video as there is very less time for the NDA examination. So I have planned something special for you all guys. So please keep on watching the channel until I post a video. I will post a video specifically targeting in what to study in this final 1.5 months in order to qualify for the examination. You have to study the selective parts. The maths is a very simple thing, and secondly the general ability also comes simple. So friends, you have to prepare accordingly. So friends, this is all about this in this video. I hope you like it, and stay tuned to the channel in order to have regular updates on this examination. So friends, I thank you all for watching. If you have any doubt, you mail me at s2jacademy@gmail.com, and please subscribe channel for the regular updates. So I thank you all for watching. Share knowledge, share success. Jai Hind.